Welcome to my packing video. As you will see, this is the same backpack that Emily used in her packing video. The reason we have a backpack and this roller bag is because we travel almost all the year and we're constantly evaluating whether we should have two backpacks like we normally use, or perhaps a backpack and a roller bag, or maybe even two roller bags. We're always trying to improve our travel experience. This is the backpack I'm using. This is a 4-clause, 40-liter backpack. As you can see, it opens just like a suitcase, has compartments inside. In this first compartment, I will put in my tennis shoes, my toiletry bag, and the GoPro, and our roll of cables and chargers. And there we go, it zips right up. Fits very easily. In this smaller compartment, I will put in little larger items, antiperspirant and shave cream and sunscreen and socks. I have 4 pairs of socks. And the flossers go in here. I didn't need to bring this many flossers. And my underwear is also in this compartment. And that zips up very easily. And now I'll move on to my clothes. I have, as you can see, 8 shirts, 7 plus what I'm wearing. And they all fold up. I roll them. I know some people have different ways of putting their clothes together. I like to roll mine. And they fit right inside that larger compartment. Now I will have to say, as we were getting ready to make this video, Emily challenged me on my ability to get these shirts off of those fuzzy hangers. I had to prove to her that I could do it. So those were 2 t-shirts. This is a long sleeve hoodie for chillier days and nights. That fits in there very nicely. And then we have a polo shirt for dressier occasions. I bought this on the Amalfi Coast during our last trip earlier this year. The reason I had to buy this is because we decided at the last minute to go on a transatlantic cruise and we had no dress clothes. These are one of my 2 fun shirts, as we call them. As you can see, this is Route 66. Emily bought this for me back in our hometown. And all of these clothes roll up very nice and small and fit very easily. Here's my second fun shirt. As you can see, Rio Grande. It also folds up, rolls up very nicely. And it'll fit right in here, just like that. And then I have a dressier shirt, and we bought this. We bought this here in Greece because, again, we decided at the last minute to go on a repositioning cruise from Barcelona to Miami. And so I needed one dressier shirt so we could maybe even eat a meal in the main dining room. So then down here we see a pair of pajama pants, a set of workout clothes, a top and a shorts. We have a pair of lightweight pants. I got these at Uniqlo. They're the best pants. They're super great. Very lightweight, very comfortable. I have a pair of dressier shorts. Again, I bought this on the Amalfi Coast last year because we ended up on a last minute cruise. I have 3 pair of these shorts, these 2 that are rolled up and 1 that I'm wearing. These are excellent shorts. very lightweight, lots of zippered pockets. Really like them quite a bit. I have 2 bathing suits. This one I bought in Greece because I only had one. I bought this one at the Amalfi Coast also. So these all fit in. This is my lightweight rain jacket. This is a replacement for the heavy jacket that I left in Uruguay. We hadn't worn it very often and it was very, very heavy and I needed something lighter weight. So this is much lighter, fits better. Oh, thank you. And then my hat. This is to keep the sun off my beautiful head. And this will fit right inside here. And then we'll zip this up. And we will be ready to go. And then we have this great sand broom. We got this in Vietnam a couple of years ago. We haven't seen anything like this anywhere. Sorry, we bought this in Thailand. And we haven't seen anything like this anywhere. You would think of all the beach towns we've been to that somebody would sell little brooms to brush the sand off. Thank you for watching my packing video. So let me put this on so you can see what it looks like. I think we decided it weighs about 22 pounds, so it's a good weight for me. So you can see that. And you'll notice I actually have 2 pairs of shoes with me. I have the tennis shoes, the walking shoes in my backpack, and I have on walking sandals. Those are the only shoes I brought. There we go. So that's ready to go. And then, here's a power bank. It fits inside my carry bag. This is a bag we need carry bag. It has a zippered passport pocket and a couple of other pockets to hold miscellaneous items. Very, very handy, especially through the airport. And then a water bottle that will fit in the side of the backpack. Just like that. Now, sharp-eyed viewers will say, wait a minute, where's your jacket? Well, turns out we are here in Greece in the middle of October and I neglected to bring my puffy jacket. So probably in Barcelona, while we're waiting for the cruise to start, I'll probably have to pick up a lightweight puffy jacket because it's going to be a little chilly out in the ocean, I think. This is my packing video.